All right, guys. So trying to do this with a wide angle because got these in the mail today. Actually, just ordered them. I swear Thursday or Friday. So really fast turnaround. But the MESO Customs dual color map lights. Um, every time I look at these, I put them in the cart, then I back out because I'm like, just don't need them. But these lights are starting to flicker, and they probably won't do it now that we're recording. And truth be told, these LED bulbs, I mean, they're a couple few bucks on Amazon. I really like them. It's hard to tell on camera, but I like the white color. They're way brighter than stock. They're plenty bright enough. I just think they look good. And something about the whole OEM setup I just like. But it seems like I don't know, sometimes a few months to a year, the bulbs will start going bad. And these do flicker. Of course, they're not doing it now, but believe me, they always seem to flicker. I don't know if it's when they get warm, whatever, but sometimes they just do it, so they're getting ready to go. And so, when I saw these pop up available the other day on the website, I ordered them. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop these out. I'm going to try to set up the camera so I can show it, but it's going to be a weird angle. Let's pop these in and see how we like them. I will tell you, my one concern I've had with these is I like how the lights fade off when they turn off. They don't just turn off really fast. I don't know. It's one of those stupid features that, I don't know. I guess maybe I've never had it in another vehicle, except my last two vehicles had it. I don't know. Anyways, I couldn't get an answer from anybody if these do the same. And nobody else's videos show if they fade on or off. So that is one thing we're going to find out. And with that being said, let me get these popped out and we'll start replacing them. Should be pretty simple. I just got a couple interior trim tools and they should just pop out from the back and then the bulbs come right out. So let's get to it. Okay, so that took 58 seconds to remove the bulbs and the lenses. So we're going to keep the lenses. What I'll do is I'll just put them back in this box and put them away because I don't ever throw away any of the factory parts because you never know when you'll need them. So let's open up these MESO Custom lights. Okay, again, trying to do this so you can see what's going on in the confines of the driver's seat here. All right, so it's all one piece. So one thing a lot of folks may not realize, but the old centerpiece, this piece, doesn't actually have any lights behind it. It's just kind of reflected around in there. So replacing it with this gives you way more LEDs. So let me pop this in there. Basically, these two wires plug in where the factory bulbs went, and then all snaps back into place. All right, let me move this camera again here. All right, let's see if they fade off. So, if you guys can tell, I just had some problems getting them. In fact, that one's not even popped in all the way yet. The wires, they faded. Perfect. They faded. I'm pretty excited right now. In fact, that one's not popped in all the way either. So the wires are getting in the way, so I'm gonna actually move the camera because it was kind of in my way and pop those out and rearrange the wires. But let me do that real quick and get them dialed in here. All right, so I just did a little more finessing, and here's a tip that I learned. Just watch where the wires are, because the wire was getting in between the switch and this panel, which was making it feel mushy. Just never felt right. And after taking it out and whatnot a couple times, just watch the wires. Just tuck the wires in. So now, honestly, I wasn't thrilled about the fit and finish because it didn't seem to line up, but now it's perfect. And they look good. So It's hard to tell how bright they are on camera. I know that you just can't tell, but they're bright. I'm just going to tell you they're bright. The white light's going to be, I mean, okay, that's plenty of light. If we lock the truck, they'll fade out. Oh, except they're on still. Let's do that again. Fade it on. Fade out. And they'll do it with the white also. So unlock, fade on, lock, fade out. Yeah, these are going to stay on red. So, all right, that was pretty quick. I like them. I will probably come out here when it's dark. Not that you're going to be able to tell, but it at least, I don't know, feels like what we should do. They didn't have that one available, so I will probably get it next. That actually has the LED bulb in it, one of these cheap bulbs. It's, again, same thing. Plenty bright. I like it well enough. They're a couple bucks, but it seems like every, I don't know, 6 months to a year I'm replacing the bulb. So, again, yeah. All right, let's come back out when it's dark. All right, so it's nighttime. Let's see if we can do this like kicking on the motion lights, which might be tricky. So we're standing outside still. That has the brightness through the tint. Yeah, it's like daytime in here. Okay. Again, it is nighttime. That is impressively bright. So let's kick them. You know what? Red is where it might stay. Alright guys, so that's it. The MESO Customs map lights. I like that. Alright, quick video, simple install. So far so good. Thanks everyone, catch you on the next one.